Welcome where curiosity becomes dangerous. Let's dive into a chilling simulation. What if the sun suddenly went dark? At first, nothing happens. For 8 whole minutes, everything feels normal. People sip coffee, drive to work, scroll through their phones. That's because light takes 8 minutes to reach Earth. The glow we see is already old. But then it ends. The sky doesn't fade into sunset, it cuts straight to black. The moon and stars shine, but not gently. They burn coldly against a sky that no longer knows day. Streetlights snap on. Cities glow like islands of resistance. People step outside, confused, craning their necks at the strange new darkness. For the first time in history, no one on Earth knows what time it is. Within 24 hours, the real danger begins. Temperatures plummet below freezing. Winds pick up as warm air vanishes. People gather around fires, blast heaters, wrap themselves in every blanket they own. But comfort doesn't last. Every hour, the world grows colder. Animals sense it first. Birds stop migrating, they simply huddle and die. Bees abandon their hives. Insects vanish. Farm animals freeze in fields before farmers can save them. Forests fall silent, their songs erased. And humans? We panic. Supermarkets empty in hours. Shelves stripped bare. Gas stations run dry as people stockpile fuel for generators. Governments urge calm, but whispers spread faster than official news. The sun is gone. After 1 week, the oceans begin to freeze. First, a thin crust of ice forms near the poles, then sheets thick enough to trap ships. Fish die en masse. Whales suffocate beneath sealed surfaces. Entire ecosystems collapse. Beaches are abandoned. Harbors are graveyards of frozen metal. Agriculture collapses. Plants wither without sunlight. Photosynthesis stops. Crops rot in the fields. Greenhouses run on emergency power. But energy runs out. Hunger spreads. Food riots erupt. People realize quickly, it's not just cold that will kill us. It's starvation. After 1 month, Earth is unrecognizable. Temperatures average -40 degrees Celsius. The oceans are frozen several meters deep. Cities once vibrant are silent except for the low hum of generators. Families live underground, in basements, in subway tunnels, anywhere the ground can hold heat. Fires burn constantly. Oxygen thins as forests die and decay without replenishing the air. Children grow pale. Coughs echo in shelters. Doctors talk about sun sickness, depression, exhaustion, a creeping despair caused by endless night. Some cling to myths, lighting candles in windows, praying the sun will return. After 6 months, humanity is at the edge. Earth's surface is frozen solid. Glaciers creep over continents. The average temperature has dropped to -70 degrees Celsius. Only volcanic regions, geothermal vents, and deep caves offer warmth. The oceans, once roaring and alive, are locked beneath kilometers of ice. Communities live near volcanoes, surviving on meager food grown under artificial lamps. Scientists huddle around nuclear reactors, trying to extend life another month. Crops become experiments, not meals. The taste of bread, fruit, or fresh meat becomes a memory. Most people live on canned goods and hope. And then, after 1 year, only fragments of humanity remain. Underground cities glow dimly with artificial light. Children born in this darkness have never seen the sun. For them, day is just a word in old books. The Earth itself has transformed into a frozen jewel, a silent orb drifting through space. From orbit, it would look beautiful, glittering with icy oceans, continents buried under snow. But that beauty hides its emptiness. Earth once alive is now a planetary tomb. And here's the cruel irony. We often complain about the sun. Too hot, too bright, too blinding. We curse it on summer days. Yet without it, Earth dies almost instantly. The sun isn't just light, it's life itself. Of course, this is just a thought experiment. The sun isn't going to switch off. But imagining it shows us how fragile our world is, balanced on forces we take for granted every day. And if darkness can kill us in months, what would happen if the sun didn't fade quietly, but exploded violently as a supernova. And if you don't want to freeze solid before your morning coffee, hit like and subscribe to the channel. It won't bring back the sunlight, but at least it'll keep your curiosity burning.